Let's make this single serving homemade hot chocolate that's rich, creamy, and way better than those powdery mixes. Now, don't get me wrong, those instant packets are super convenient, right? They're perfectly measured for 1 mug and you just add hot water. But let's be real, the taste, it's okay, but it's nothing like homemade. Homemade hot chocolate has that deep, rich chocolate flavor that you just can't beat. The problem with most homemade recipes is that they make a big batch. Sometimes you just want one perfect cup. So today I'm going to show you how to make a single serving hot chocolate, no leftovers. And if you do want to make more for friends or family, this recipe is super easy to double, triple, or even quadruple. But if it's just you and you're craving a cozy cup of hot chocolate, this is exactly what you need. The first thing to do is to get yourself some good quality dark chocolate. For those who say, oh, I don't like dark chocolate, remember, the moment this melts into the milk, guess what the flavor turns into? Yeah, milk chocolate. So unless you like a hot chocolate that tastes more like warm milk than chocolate, I suggest you start off with dark chocolate. You want to cut this into small pieces. Remember, the finer you chop the chocolate now, the faster it will melt into the hot milk and the sooner you'll be enjoying your cup of hot chocolate. Into a saucepan, add the unsweetened cocoa powder, the sugar, and a pinch of salt. Now in Italy, we like to add cornstarch to our hot chocolate. We like a thick and creamy hot chocolate. The cornstarch is optional. You will not taste it, but if you've yet to try Italian hot chocolate, I really encourage you to try this type of hot chocolate at least once. It's delicious. Give these ingredients a mix and let's talk milk. You'll need cold milk. Any milk is fine, however, dairy milk is the preferred choice as it's more indulgent than other milks. Now to avoid lumps, no one likes a lumpy hot chocolate, we're going to make a slurry. A slurry is nothing more than a mixture of a liquid and a powdered ingredient combined to prevent clumping. The trick is to add the liquid slowly, so you want to gradually pour the milk into the dry ingredients while continuously stirring until everything is evenly dispersed and smooth. Now we're going to bring the milk to a simmer, stirring often. Now, because this recipe makes 1 serving, this will happen really quickly. Now, if you've added the cornstarch, the hot chocolate only thickens once you've brought this mixture to a gentle boil. Once it comes to a gentle boil, you can turn off the heat completely and stir in your chopped chocolate. Now, this is your hot chocolate ready to be poured into your serving cup of mug. I like to serve mine with softly whipped cream, but this is obviously great with marshmallows too. If you are looking for a chocolatey treat to cozy up with on a cold day, it doesn't get any better than this.